Welcome to this week's Walthers Showroom Update. I'm Zach, and as promised, today we've got a demonstration for you of the all-new WalthersMainline Plymouth ML-8 industrial switcher. You're going to enjoy it, I guarantee. These debuted in the Walthers July flyer. They're a brand new tool, and we actually showed the first samples at last month's National Trade Show. But today I've got all 6 models here for you to see for yourself. Then we're going to demonstrate the pulling power that this little mighty mite packs. Let's get right to it. Alright, a couple quick notes about the prototype and the model before we really start to show off the schemes. First off, this is a totally new tool designed from the ground up over the last year. The models are available with factory installed soundtracks DCC decoders with built-in CurrentKeeper, which helps with any power interruption you might encounter during normal use. The model is also designed with a 3-point suspension to make sure that you get the best positive track contact possible. So this prototype itself has had a long life. It was built in the 1920s with several still in use today. It's a great little switcher used by various different types of industries for movement around the plant as well as in switching duties for railroads. And this is a great model too, with a lot of detail and pulling power packed into a small package. Using the blue painted unlettered shop switcher as a point of reference here, in the front of the unit you can actually see the etched metal see-through radiator guard. And just above that, the lettering for Plymouth across the nose. We've got factory installed handrails, bell, steps, and other details that give the unit a good deal of realism. And the die-cast metal underframe also packs a lot of detail while adding weight for pulling. We packed as much weight as we could into this model while keeping it true to the prototype dimensions. And the drive in this unit features helical cut gears, a brass flywheel, and low-speed gearing that will allow you to operate at prototypical speeds. One last note, the front and rear headlights operate according to the direction of travel. Okay, so that first scheme here that we're showing you is the unlettered medium blue, and that's followed by the unlettered black, and then the unlettered yellow, which are designed to replicate base paint schemes commonly used by different owners to perform switching tasks around the plant. These unlettered schemes, they come with decals for unit numbers and various Cornerstone industry logos as well. In addition to those unlettered schemes, we've got 3 railroad schemes that are available: the black and zebra stripes Santa Fe, Union Pacific with the Shield logo, and U.S. Army Transportation Corps. So now that you've had a chance to see the samples, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate them for you in operation. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started from a dead stop here just to show you how smoothly it transitions at low speed. And we've got a relatively prototypical load with 3 box cars. We're going to send her around the curve. Alright, it looks like it's doing pretty good here with the 3 box cars, so I'm going to go ahead and test out just how much we can pull behind it. Alright, now I've got 7 different box cars loaded up behind the ML-8. And you can see it's pretty smooth from a dead stop to a start. And I've got it running a little bit fast here for this demonstration. But there it goes, 7 different box cars. Alright, so now I've put on another 2 box cars just to see how far we can take this thing. And it looks like it's transitioning out of a stop just fine. Alright, so if the tiny little ML-8 can pull this off, let's see what else we might be able to put behind it and pull without a problem. Alright, now you can see that I'm getting a little bit crazy here, but I wanted to see just how much it could carry. And you can see that it's carrying 5 auto carriers without a problem.
It's quite a load for this little ML-8. Thank you helical cut gears and brass flywheels. It's just got a great motor to it, a lot of weight.
All right, so that's the new Walthers Mainline ML-8 switcher. They're absolutely awesome. You got to see them for yourself in person. If you're interested, head over to your local hobby shop where they're taking pre-orders right now. These are due in December. If you want to get some more information, you can head over to walthers.com and see photos, get some more details, and really, they're just amazing. They're like the Ant-Man of the locomotive superhero team, where they're tiny, but they pack a lot of punch. So check it out. That's our show for the week. Thank you for joining me. Come back again in 2 weeks. We've got brand new Walthers Mainline 89-foot channel side flat cars we're going to be demonstrating.